All right. So even as we got to that major twist that was witnessed in the Aryan Khan case, the latest is that Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik is all set to meet with the Chief Minister. He will meet the Chief Minister on the NCB case. This as he has also leveled extortion charges against the NCB, which the NCB has completely refuted, and they are standing by Sameer Wankhede. The Maharashtra minister has been saying that all in all, this is a way to malign the image of the state and the government, the Maha Vikas Aghadi government in Maharashtra. I want to take this point straight away to Priyanka, who's joining us live on the broadcast, because Priyanka, the political fight has been ongoing between the NCP and the NCB. But now Nawab Malik wanting to take this to the Maharashtra Chief Minister, and he wants an SIT probe on this.
Well, it seems to be another step in the political posturing, a series of political posturing that Nawab Malik had been doing since day one of the entire investigation. Since the investigation started, we had seen some of the other allegations that he had been leveling over Sameer Wankhede, also over NCB, and the rest of the investigation that is being done in this entire cruise drug bust case as well. Then be it about the punch witnesses in the starting of the investigation, and also personal attacks on Sameer Wankhede, and now another eyewitness, an eyewitness in fact has made a U-turn, going back completely, and made serious allegations against the NCB, and has made allegations about extortion, about several meetings that took place on the night that Aryan Khan had been arrested from on board of the cruise ship. Even before that as well, then of course claiming that there were blank papers that he was made to sign. All of these things, in fact, as we had been speaking about this all through the day, has given political ammunition for more political posturing that Nawab Malik had been reciting to from day one. And now the latest being that he will be going and meeting with the Chief Minister, trying to get them to order for an SIT in this entire investigation as well, trying to draw hindrances in this entire investigation to make sure that there are some kind of that the investigation as per procedure is not taking place, because that's what Sameer Wankhede had actually stated
Priyanka,
as well, claiming that there were personal grudges.
Where this independent witness has leveled charges of extortion against the NCB, which the NCB has completely refuted, and so has Sameer Wankhede. Even in that press note that has been released, let's also understand that Shah Rukh Khan's manager is a part of the story, and she has been mentioned. But Shah Rukh Khan and his team are keeping a very safe distance from whatever has happened. So even when it comes to the developments of today, we don't see any word coming in from that front.
Nobody really trying to indulge in this entire allegation that has come forth since today, where the witness in fact has made a U-turn, made these very serious allegations, to the point that even the NCB is not choosing to address the media, barring that one press note that they have released, claiming that if the witness wants to go to the court of law, they should. Why are they making it a sensationalizing it rather on social media? They can approach the court, and they will be refuting these entire allegations as well. They have already shrugged off these allegations, and they have said that these are completely baseless, as they have done even in the past as well, whenever even the NCP had leveled any allegations. But today, the NCB has also stated that they have sent out a message, rather, by not addressing the media, trying to send out the message that they do not consider these allegations to be of any there's no truth to it, and that's why they're choosing not to even indulge in this. And in fact, they've just released a press note claiming go to the court of law, not to social media.
Very true. And I'm not too sure if I can also bring in Yasha on this, but breaking details that we are flashing on our screens as the NCB is all set to investigate the witnesses' claims in this Aryan case. DDG NR is to record the statement of Wankhede. Shavan is catching all the details on this. Shavan, tell us more.
Well, in fact, Suesha, the latest details now that is coming in is after the press release that was issued by DDG Ashok Jain, we are now given to understand that he has also written a letter to the DG of the Narcotics Control Bureau saying that there are certain aspects to the affidavit that has been filed by the independent witness, which essentially requires an investigation by the Vigilance Department. It now turns out that an inquiry would basically be carried out in which details would be sought from the zonal director, but also at the same time, remember the press release had categorically made a mention of the fact that zonal director Samir Wankare has denied all the allegations that has been leveled against him. This has essentially been done to ensure that the kind of allegations that have been leveled by the independent witness is basically looked into, and an independent probe is basically carried out.
Mm-hmm. All right, the story is moving very fast, Shravan and Priyanka and Yasha as well. And really waiting to watch what happens next. But for the moment, thank you for joining us.